We're here at Top Chef on the Trail. I am toasting country loaf to set some charcuterie boards out.
What do you think he's gonna have us do?
I don't know, your guess is just as good as mine.
Maybe a little pasta, throw it up against the wall, and if it sticks, then it's...
That's Grandma's rules.
I'm not sure what I'm gonna have to do to beat Shane in this cook-off, but I hear there's a trophy and everything, and I want that thing.
Shane and Dwayne are going to be making pasta from scratch. When Shane and Dwayne start making pasta, I've set up everything with the dish, and we're going to see if they can come anywhere close to what I played up.
Don,
Shane.
I got a big question for you.
Yes, sir.
Hey, I'm cooking pasta. What do I do?
Go get an Italian grandmother.
Craigslist. Check. Got it.
All right.
It's like the worst advice ever. An Italian grandmother and Craigslist? What am I going to do with that?
We will judge them very harshly and see who wins. You separated your 12 egg yolks. There's some olive oil and water to bring the dough together. Just a really quick tutorial. I'll keep kind of going over here and you can watch. The rules of the competition have been ignored. They were too busy drinking and not paying attention, so they have no idea what they're doing at this point. I'm going to let them go down in flames.
Mild crumble of the venison and some tomato, and I mean, we could bore you all night with the details, but we got it.
Your final product, it's not the worst I've seen. You did all the ingredients made in the plate, potentially oversalted, but we're gonna see.
All right.
I'll let you taste your own work first.
Appreciate your help, your expertise that you bring to the table. Okay. So we would like to go ahead and present you as